Hey guys, so it's Giovanni. We're back on our charts, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys support and resistance on an mt4. Okay, a lot of people hold their phones on an mt4 the regular way and just zoom out and look to the side. This is wrong. Okay, you need to make sure that you can hold your phone this way, because when you are looking at TradingView, the chart is this way. You don't want to change anything up, okay? So let's draw up some support. Let's see that right here we have some support. On the left, we have all the time frames, the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minute, and the 1 minute. Okay. When you click to the right, we have our tools. Okay, our cross arrow, our indicators, our objects, so how we're going to draw support and resistance, sell and buy button if you want it there. You can change the candlesticks to lines. So we got to get used to doing this, family, if we want to get used to making money whenever we want, wherever we want. And plus, this is just going to make you way more elite at trading. So let's click into our shape toolbar and let's draw support. You know, it is going to be a little bit more tedious on the phone, but I promise you, once you get used to it, it isn't going to be anything once you get used to it. Okay, so we want to click on our shape toolbar, and we want to click on the square, and we can use the square to draw support. Okay, just the same way you would on TradingView. Okay, you could change the color of the square by going to the symbol and changing the style. Okay, the bigger you make the pixels, the more you'll be able to see the support or whatever object that you put there. But you can change everything here. Okay, let's draw a support. Let's add another object. Let's add another rectangle. Let's add another rectangle for our resistance area. And now I just drew up support and resistance. We can use our other tools over here. Add object. We can draw trend lines. We use Fibonacci. Okay, we could draw regression channels. Okay. You can draw regression channels. Price broke the trend line. You got to use these tools on the mt4. Because when we do go to the mt4, the charts move a little bit different than the TradingView charts. Okay, you can use this for, you can use these tools. Okay, you guys can use arrow lines. Okay, make your M's. And the recent objects that you use will be showing up over here on the top. Okay, so this way you can see your confluence on a mobile app. Okay, nice M pattern. Trust me, you learn how to mark up your charts on your mobile as well. It's going to make a big difference when you're entering trades on your mobile. There's a lot of things you guys can do with this. Use Fibonacci. You can use Fibonacci retracements. Okay, the properties is right there. Fibonacci retracements. I like to use horizontal lines, so if I mark up a support, or maybe I want to mark up a certain price area, right? When I look to my left and right, maybe I want to watch out for price if it comes back near that area. Okay, so use horizontal lines, vertical lines as well. Okay, these are all things that you can use. Okay, you also got the trend line. Okay, so trend line, want to keep up with a trend. There it is. Mark up the charts and then you get paid. You can do the trend line retest. This way you could trade the trend line retest on the phone. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. Breaks the trend line, it retests and starts to be a little buy. Then we have another trend line. Mark it up real quick. We follow the markets. Okay, breaks the trend line, another buy. So you guys just want to get used to marking up these charts. Trying your best to mark up these charts with your phone if you're going to trade on your phone. Okay, and then watch when we use the indicators, and that's what's going to make it way more powerful when you turn your phone back around and you're ready to trade.